Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our University of Free State. So let's get started. So to log into your University of Free State, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for login University of Free State. So after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can just tap on this first option which says Student Self-Service Options Login Page. And now to log into your account, you can just simply enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, you can just tap on login and you'll log into your account. So after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, it is how to log into your Free State University of Free State account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.